fish bite, the rod's going to hit hard, right? So on this one here, if you see the rod going like this, just kind of reach and start to wind until it comes out. There's a clip that holds the line, so you don't go down. That one's a bit easier. Just pull the rod out and just start winding. Okay. This one here is like a regular fishing reel.
Yeah, take it out and.
Yeah. This one here is called a knuckle buster.
Okay, yeah.
So if you feel the fish pulling, just let go with the one hand and hold the rod.
You mean to let go of the left hand, right?
Fish right there. Here. Start winding. Just go slow. Wind forward. Leave this hand here if you can. Nope. Yeah. Get winding. Wind faster. Come standing. Stop there. That didn't take long, eh? Holy! Okay.
എടാ എണ്ണി ഞങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരും എടുക്കും She likes me a lot.
Start winding, Joseph. Start winding. You're winding. Get the rod on the rod holder. There you go. Stand in the middle of the board there. Way out there.
Oh yeah. God's one favorite fish.
Go slow.
Same?
No. Bring your rod this way. This way. Keep winding. Go on. Good. Up.
They already took the picture, so I'm gonna.
Don't drop in the water.
No, I won't.
That was funny.
There you go.
Hey, take a picture.
They already took. Oh, wait,
You
no.
hold it, you call it. There you go. Is there fish on it?
Yeah. No, it's no.
You gotta move over. Keep winding.
Mina.
Somebody's gotta get it. Go. Get winding. Somebody's gotta get it. Still there?
Nope.
Nope, lost it. Okay. Too slow. Get it, Joseph. They're winding. Stand in the middle of the boat. Yeah, you gotta ask the That's it for you. Pull it on the clip. There you go. Now wind.
Yeah.
Get out. Get back to the water.
It's a small one.
If it wants to pull, let go of the reel because you'll break your fingers if you don't. Hold it straight.
That's not. Yeah. Small one. Yeah.
Let it run, let it run. Let it run. It's already too late. Get winding. Lost them already.
How did I lose that score already?
Slow. Oh. You're going. Start winding. You're good.
Oh yeah.
Joseph, turn to the right. The boat, or put it in. Oh shit, we're gonna get tangled here. No, just let it go the other way. Lift up the rods.
Is that it?
No, I can't reach him. He's still too far out. You gotta bring the fish. Bring him this way. Now lift. There we go.
Oh. It's a large one. Is it go who?
You straighten out, Joseph. Turn it that way so we can see the side of the
Oh.
Now he's
Ah.
throwing it,
Sorry. Kjara lyckan det. Åh, അതിന്റെ പൂക്ക് നോക്കി.
Yep.
Oh.
Well, let him run. Let him run. Once you feel him, let him run. Start the line a bit. So when you feel him pull back, just let go. Let go. Let him run. Now start winding. There's no boats in front of us, eh?
But boat on the front. No. We are all good.
Lift up, lift up.
Oh, that's a large one. Oh. Straight.
തലക്കടിച്ച് ഞാൻ പോകും.
Hey, Mom.
പിടിക്ക്.
You have?
Oh, you can. 어이구 보여요.
Keep going. Go slow.
എവിടെ സ്റ്റക്കായി.
Go slow. So slowly lift up and then wind and go down low fast. Really tough. Wind, 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 wind. Don't let the rod touch the boat. Come this way, Joseph.
Yep.
Watch that. You know. Okay, get the net it, net it. I can busy for the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Kicks the line with the reel, Joseph. The other way, you're gonna break the rod. Okay. Yeah. Oh, got it? You got it. No, just go forward. There you go. There you go. There you go. You go catch a fish.
Oh yeah.
It's a pink. This one you be careful with the reel. Come out here. When you feel pull hard, just let go of this.
അയ്യോ അല്ല നെറ്റിന്റെ അയ്യോ
Keep winding, wind, wind, wind.
വൈൻഡ് ചെയ്തോ.
Hold this. You gotta come this way. Get the rod out of my way. I can't do anything now.
Oh, okay.
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 It's all good. Whew.
You did it. Oh.
Just start winding, Josie. Yeah, go slow. Small go, we're gonna let it go. Come on, come on. What are you waiting for? Let it run. Remember, that one there has no drag. There, see, he's running.
Oh.
You're whining. Keep up with them. Keep up with them. Thanks, ladies. He's coming over here, Joseph. Oh. Wind, wind, wind. Oh, it's kind of Osborne. No, don't pull too hard. Oh, man. You're killing me here. Too slow. Now pull slowly up. Got it. That's the
There we
biggie.
go.
I didn't want to lose it. That's lucky.
Candidates. Bring it up. I think it's something off the bottom. Come on, tough guy. Easy peasy. Hey? What is that? Octopus. You're already all the way up. You can't go anymore. Ready?
Octopus.
Miss, you want to take a picture? Here's an octopus.
Mírale, mírale. See?
I need to take it.
You watch, because he can spray you still, right?
That's why they were waiting.
People eat them.
Yeah.
Sure,